So what do you think about Vivutravel and Vietnam? First of all, we love Vietnam. It's a beautiful country with lovely people. So many things to see and to do. It's just a pity that I didn't have more time. I want to say also special thanks to everybody, to you, to the driver, to Kim, for being so flexible and arranging very good places to stay. It was really nice, and we had some unforgettable moments, especially also with my birthday, and everything was very good. Well arranged.
We feel like we are taken from spot to spot without worrying about anything.
Yes.
It is like we go to a place, and then you guys come, and then you bring us to another place, and you give us some stories about and history and culture. So we learn a lot during the trip.
Thanks to you.
And it is we don't have to think about anything.
No, it was just really custom made and very no stress at all. It was just enjoying every moment. We enjoyed every moment. Very